Video, we want to cover how to run an inventory using the agent. Effective IT asset management depends on accurate, timely, and comprehensive data. While agents discovery can provide broad visibility, Flexera's agents go a step further to deliver deeper insights directly from endpoints, even when devices are remote or off-network. By capturing detailed installation, configuration, and usage information, agents ensure organizations have the clarity they need to optimize costs, maintain compliance, and manage risk with confidence. In this video, we'll talk you through the steps of downloading the agent installer, the bootstrapping file, configurations to tweak, and how to force an inventory scan. Like we might have covered in earlier videos, first thing we're going to do is log into your Flexera 1 platform. We're going to go to data collection. Please ensure your beacon has been set up prior. We're going to go to inventory settings. And we're going to select what is the file evidence you want to pick up. Typically, we choose them for your different operating systems. For Windows, Mac, Linux, or Unix. Indicate if there's any file evidence you want to exclude. Likely will be none. Set the inventory schedule, either to daily, weekly, monthly, as soon as possible or at startup. And choose the version of the agent you wish to download. Also remember to download the bootstrapping template file over here. And you receive two files, a zip folder containing the installer, as well as the bootstrapping template file. All in all, it should look something like this over here. And your template file will look like this. The MGS setup.ini. Remember to enable these following fields by removing the semicolon but install machine policy. Remember to update the deploy server URL over here, making sure that it's pointing to the beacon server. And to enable usage metering, remove the semicolon at usage agent _ disable. Coming back here, you can either run the setup as an administrator using command prompt, or you can use a silent installation. We recommend silent installation for bulk installs and individual installations for testing of individual devices before you do the silent install. Now, importantly, you want to make sure that the agent has been successfully installed. So we go over to Program Files x86, Manage Soft, and we want to see the tracker. What we could also do is to run a command, and in this case, we're going to run it over here. This is the path that we want to go to navigate to, and remember to run this command. Upon running this command, we are forcing the agent to run an inventory. And from there, what we want to see is in the Manage Soft folder. We're going to come over here to App Data, Local, Temp, Manage Soft. And here we want to focus on the tracker and look at the activity that's happening in there. Now, the expected end behavior that we want to see are these following files over here within the tracking log file. We want to see that we're finished generating inventory. The uploader has started, uploader finished, inventory completed, and the program exited successfully. This means that the inventory has been successfully run and has been sent to the beacon, and it will subsequently get sent to your Flexera 1 ITAM instance. Now that we've inventoried that one device, we can come back over here. We're going to go to All Inventory. And if the settings are done correctly, we want to make sure that the device that we have just inventoried appears over here. If you're noticing any odd behavior or the inventory file is not appearing, your computer is not appearing here, do remember to check the log files. You can always come back up here to view the documentation if you need any help. And after the inventory is complete, we can click in over here, and it's then going to show you all the hardware and software we have discovered in the endpoint. For bulk deployments, we recommend inventorying a single device, testing out the inventory on a few before using a deployment tool like an SCCM or Intune for silent deployment across the organization. We hope you found this video helpful. Reach out to us if you need any further assistance. Thank you.